The pancreas is an organ of the digestive system and endocrine system of vertebrates. In humans, it is located in the abdomen behind the stomach. The pancreas has both an endocrine and a digestive exocrine function. The human pancreas is about 6 inches long and sits across the back of the abdomen, behind the stomach. The head of the pancreas is on the right side of the abdomen and is connected to the duodenum, the first section of the small intestine, through a small tube called the pancreatic duct. The narrow end of the pancreas, called the tail, extends to the left side of the body. Cells within the pancreas help to maintain blood glucose levels, homeostasis. The cells that do this are located within the pancreatic islets that are present throughout the pancreas. When blood glucose levels are low, alpha cells secrete glucagon, which increases blood glucose levels. When blood glucose levels are high, beta cells secrete insulin to decrease glucose in blood. Delta cells in the islet also secrete somatostatin, which decreases the release of insulin and glucagon. The pancreas plays a vital role in the digestive system. It does this by secreting a fluid that contains digestive enzymes into the duodenum, the first part of the small intestine that receives food from the stomach. These enzymes help to break down carbohydrates, proteins and lipids, fats. This role is called the exocrine role of the pancreas. The cells that do this are arranged in clusters called acini. Secretions into the middle of the acinus accumulate in intralobular ducts, which drain to the main pancreatic duct, which drains directly into the duodenum. About 1.53 liters of fluid are secreted in this manner every day. The pancreas also secretes vasoactive intestinal peptide and pancreatic polypeptide. Enterochromaffin cells of the pancreas secrete the hormones motilin and serotonin.